living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of my blog and vlog. And for today, for this episode, I am actually it's the holidays, so it's kung sa Amerika pa the holidays, or it's usually like either Thanksgiving or Christmas. Very specific sa Christmas holidays. And today, in-invite tayo nila Cody because he's hosting, or they're hosting, Friendsgiving. Kumbaga like friends na mga Thanksgiving. Anyway, so wala sana ako ambag. Kaso sabi ni Cody, can you make lumpia? So, I didn't make lumpia, but I bought lumpia, ready-made lumpia, and I cooked. So ito, pasensya na for the mess sa kalat. Mga pasalubong yan ay papamigay ko. And look, it doesn't look appetizing, but okay na yan. So I bought Pampanga's Best or something like that. Yan yung brand niya. And anyway, so I got a shower kasi late na ako. And update ko kayo, guys. And I don't know if I have enough time to vlog dun. Try ko. Papasabak na naman tayo sa English nito. Sige. Ligo muna ako. So yun, guys, I'm ready and packed for my OOTD, my Japan starter pack. Ito yung natin, outfit from Japan. I-ROI ko na bago ko to all of this parang bagong lahat. Dito bagong tanggal pa ng tag. Hala, ma-ROI na natin to. Yes, mag-slippers lang ako. Nandito na lahat. Tara.
Bro, is it okay if I park over there by the dumpster?
Yeah, that's fine. Dude, you look so Japanese. Arigato gozaimasu.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa, puta. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back, man.
Yo, look, cause your neighbor, she, I don't know if she's gonna message the people, but like I parked right next to the dumpster, and then she looked at me, and then she pulls out her phone, and then she was like, "Should I be worried?"
I think you're fine. Is it on a spot there? Oh, our car's
Yeah. Guys, I brought lumpia.
Nice. Welcome.
Hello. Oh, okay. I'm gonna stop vlogging because like we have new people. No, just kidding.
That's Crystal and Connor.
Hi, Crystal and Connor. I was gonna bless.
Singing for the child.
Like you know, like in the Filipino way. Like... Nice to meet you. I'm Charles.
I just want to photograph Charles post Japan trip. Post Japan trip in his new outfit.
You know, dude.
Man, welcome back.
What's up? Konnichiwa.
He's fluent in Japanese.
Sushimasen.
Oh my god, look at your new fit.
Hey, all the words. Thank you. Uniqlo, by the way. Yeah.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How was it like not being sick? Oh, no.
Dude, I actually loaded up on vitamin C, bro. Yeah, and then but I sprained my ankle third like almost the last leg of my trip.
When we got to Japan?
Yeah. No. Like when I went back to Tokyo, I feel like my leg like got swollen.
Oh really?
Yeah. Wait, I got this one and banana ketchup.
Hell yeah.
Banana ketchup.
Did you make it, Charles?
Huh?
Did you make it?
Yeah, dude. I spent like last 3 days like wrapping this shit. No. I bought it. Oh, here's the cast.
You were making the lumpia in Japan.
Say hi. I got no time to introduce you guys. But anyways, time to eat. Hold up. Hello. Yeah, I'm driving home. I don't know. I couldn't record good footage because I wanted to be present with my friends. But basically, that was our Friendsgiving. Now I have a dilemma. I actually have a dilemma.
to where I should spend my Thanksgiving. Cause yeah, two people already invited me. My dad and also Tyler invited me to their Thanksgiving, and I'm not sure. I had to, cause for one, I had to drive. If I have to spend Thanksgiving with Tyler, I have to drive all the way to Houston. So nakapagod. After all the travels, I'm gonna have to say like pass, and also like depends too, cause like I'm gonna have to work during Thanksgiving, kasi nga like I've been gone for like a month, right? At work, and if I work Thanksgiving, extra pay. So I don't know. Kasi kung sa San Antonio ako with my dad, it's only like an hour away. So that would be it. Nga. But yeah, Korean Cindy, they're gonna be gone until January 3rd, I believe. So ang tagal nila mawala, like 6 weeks. Kasi pupunta nila ng China. After Thanksgiving, pupunta sila ng China. Then we're gonna spend Christmas, I think, over there. Tapos babalik sila dito for Christmas. So medyo matagalan nga. And so it's gonna be a while until I see them again. So ganun, medyo sad lang. But I'll probably just put my head down and work out and then just chill. Do whatever I can. Tapos, oh God, please pray for me, guys. My results for my MBA application will come out on the 17th of December. Hopefully, I've been praying to God. Matanggap ako. If not, then that will be done. His will be done. So yeah. So right now, I realized na tingnan ko yung watch ko. I mean, my watch, my fitness app, and I've only had 3 hours of sleep today. So medyo I'm feeling under the weather, and so medyo I'm so tired. And what time is it? 4 o'clock now. So I'm probably gonna chill for now. I have to call Kay because I miss her. I haven't talked to her whole day. I mean, I did in the morning, pero I wanna balita. Chikahin ko siya. Ano nangyari. But yeah, it was fun hanging out with them. I'm probably gonna make this a 2-part special, or not 2-part special, but this video is probably like a Thanksgiving video. So so all my Thanksgiving festivities is just gonna be from this video alone. I don't know where I should like, it's either the next part of this video will be either me spending Thanksgiving with my family or with Tyler and them. But either way, it's gonna be a blast. We'll see. Oh nga pala, in-invite din ako ng Filipino friends ko dito sa may Kyle. So I don't know, maybe I should like, I'll think about it. Kasi nga medyo mahirap nga kasi dalawa yung invitation, diba? I mean, tatlo yung invitation, so I'm having a hard time picking where to go. Okay, I'm stuck in traffic because this guy's turning left and I can't turn left. So it's my fault. Never mind. It's not my fault. So yeah, yun lang guys. I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. Kasi wala na rin akong time to pick to give my pasalubong din with my Filipino friends if I don't go to Thanksgiving, spend time with them. So I don't know. Maybe I'll go spend Thanksgiving with them on the day after. I probably should ask my dad, but if not, then if they want to spend Thanksgiving on the day of, then I'm probably not gonna be able to make it. Ganun lang. So yan, dami kong arte. But yeah, I'll update you guys sa next segment ng video na to. Kasi I think for now, like chill, low-key lang muna tayo. Like I'm probably gonna get into the group of things kasi nga hindi pa nga ako nakapag-unpack. I have to like go back excuse me, working out. Sorry for that. Working out. I have to activate mention membership pa din. So yeah, I have a lot of things to do. I'm actually just thinking of activating my gym membership right after Thanksgiving. Kasi kung Thanksgiving usually closed sila, di ba? Close yung gym. So, we'll see. Ano pa ba? I might go home now and do some laundry and then try to take a nap. I have to call Kay on all of this. Para chika. Oh yeah. Kwento time, guys. So, nga pala. So yesterday, I was looking for my car, right? Kasi nga, I had to like drive to 99 Ranch. I have to drive to 99 Ranch para bumili ng lumpia. Kasi parang, ambag ko for today. And, yeah, pinark ko yung car ko sa 4th floor where my apartment is. Sa garage, sa 4th floor. And, yeah, I was like, because the whole thought of it was, kaya pinark ko sa 4th floor. So that, alam mo yun, makita ko yung car ko. I mean, like when me and Kay have to go to the airport, mas madali namin maload yung bags ko pag sa 4th floor ako nakapark. Tapos, yun. But, when we were about to go to the airport, diba, parang kapos kami sa time. Hindi na ako ginamit ng kotse ko, hindi na ako nag-drive. Nag-Uber na lang kami kasi mas mura, diba? So, what happened was, hindi ko mahanap yung car ko sa 4th floor. So I was like trying to like 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 the keys, trying to find my car, trying to beep. Tapos hindi ko mahanap. I was like, am I tripping? Like, I swear, pinark ko yung car ko dito sa 4th floor. Hindi ko talaga mahanap-hanap. And then, so I was like going around. I was like, oh, I probably parked in the 1st floor kasi usually napapark ako sa 1st floor para madali lang makaalis, di ba? And then pumunta ako na 1st floor, wala yung kotse ko. So I was like, no way they told me. Like, no way they told my car. Like, I swear, like, pinark ko tong car ko sa floor ko. And then so I was like, man, like I spent a whole 10 to 20 minutes like going around the parking lot trying to look for my car. I'm like, where is my car? Like, holy crap. Like, and then I was going up and down. Tapos nung pumunta na ako ng 5th floor, narinig ko na. Like, I mean, at first, like beep ko sa 4th floor, narinig ko na may nag-beep. Akala ko, like, coincidence lang. And the more I do it, narinig ko. So I was, like, looking for it, right? And then, so, when I was looking for it for the whole floors. Nung nag-give up na ako, like, I was gonna go to the 5th floor. Tapos, andun pala siya sa 5th floor, guys. Dinala nila yung kotse ko sa 5th floor. Tinow nila pala yung kotse ko sa 5th floor. Like, how? Anyways, naka-receive ako ng email pala nung nasa Japan ako. Hindi ko nabasa. They were trying to inform me na they were gonna repaint the garage. Itong garahe dito, ng car. I'm gonna show you. This is how the garage looks like. They were trying to repaint those lines, and then so they had to move my car. And I usually park here sa 4th floor, and they moved it sa 5th floor. And then so I really thought na tinaw nila yung vehicle ko, and I was just like, wow, they didn't even warn me. And then so I had to talk to people sa front office. Apparently they tried calling me when I was in Japan, pero hindi ko nasagot. Obviously hindi ko nasagot kasi nasa international ako, and then I was using a different SIM, so they couldn't get a hold of me. So and then I mean, it all worked out. Nahanap ko yung kotse ko. Pero parang kinabahan ako slight kasi I was like, man, added expense naman kasi mahal yan pag mato eh. And they're very strict dito sa apartment ko. Like, you have to register your vehicle, yung plate number mo and everything, and then car, whatever, car make, and everything, color, so they know kung anong kotse assign ka, tapos kung sa resident ka ba or hindi. And then they will tell you if you're not matching any of those descriptions. But anyways, yeah, yun lang yung story time ko. Nakadating na ako, and tawagan ko muna si Kay. Sige, kita-kits.
Guys, nagsimula na ako mag-empake. Ito pala yung ano ko. Uniqlo haul. Char. May yung iba hindi ko pa nasuot pero may iba na nasuot ko na. Kasi na-short ako ng damit. Di na ako nakapag wash during the last part of my trip kasi may bayad yung hotel, guys. $45 magpa-load. Grabe, sobrang mahal. Kung $45, bili na lang ako ng bagong damit, di ba? Ito yun, guys. Ito yung nabili ko pala. Hindi ko yun na-vlog kasi bawal mag-video sa Uniqlo. So, pag pupunta kayo ng Uniqlo, guys, tas mag-video kayo, bawal. Patago lang siguro. Baka sitahin kayo. Ito yung nabili ko. Tatlong medyas pala to. Pero, sinuot ko na yung isa. Meron silang parang 349.90. So, bumili ako ng isang black, tsaka dalawang white. Nasuot ko na yung isa. Ito ata yun. Ito yun, guys. Ito. Nalaban ko na yan. Tapos, ako ng flannel shirt. Blue. Gusto ko yung blue. Kasi ayaw ko yung red. Dalawa lang yung kulay niyan dun. Tapos ito yung jacket na palagi kong suot na suot dun. Kasi malamig. Tapos ito, 3 Airism shirt lang. Gusto ko yung tela eh. Made in Vietnam. Mura kaya to sa Vietnam? Gen CK. Yan siya. Namatawag. Nagbubuk din siya ng Thailand, Thailand trip. Sa Klook, guys. Kung magbubuk daw kayo, sa Klook daw kayo. Wala kaming code, so sorry. Sorry na lang. Din to? Sale to, guys. Nakuha ko lang to sa last minute bin. Kano nga to? Nakalagay dito, $2,990. Ito. Para siyang ano tawag dito? Wool sweater. First time kong bumili na medyo ganitong quality na mahal. Sure. Hindi naman siya mahal. Pero yung parang okay na quality. Kasi yung last na wool sweater ko binili sa Temu lang yun, guys. Sa Temu. Tapos bumili na ako ng 4 na pairs of pants. Actually 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito, slacks. Ito lahat ito parang ankle to lahat. Ankle or parang cut. Kasi ayoko nang magpa-trim pa sa kanila. Hindi na ako bumili nga ng maong eh. Next time na lang tayo bili ng maong, guys. Next time na. Pagbabalik tayo ng Uniqlo doon. So, ito lahat. Sale dapat to eh. Ang daya, guys, kasi itong dalawang pants na to, slacks. Itong dalawa. Slacks. $3,990 to, guys. Pagbili ko. Tapos, sinamahan ko sila Tyler bumalik after couple of days ng Uniqlo. Nag-sale sila, guys. $2,990. Ginawang $2,990 to. So, ito lang yung $2,990 na nabili ko. Paano ba tawag doon? Carrot pants ba ata yung nito? Parang ganun yung name. Tapos ito, slacks. 2 slacks. Kasi, para pag magsimba tayo, guys, hindi na tayo magsushorts. Magsushorts tsaka polo. Ganun yung tirada ko pag magsimba eh. Tapos, ito yung first time kong bumili ng terno na guys. Terno na sweater. Anong tawag dito? Ano siya tawag ni babe? Kaning sweatpants Sweatpants na terno. Sweatpants and sweater kaning hoodie. Yung uso ngayon, yung sinusuot nila Justin Bieber, yung mga ganun. Tapos bumili din ako. Docker cap. Paborito ko tong cap. Makikita niyo sa pictures ko sa stories ko sa Instagram. Paborito ko to. Para akong nakita niyo naman yung suot ko, di ba? Ito yun. Paborito ko. Docker cap ang tawag. Palagi kong dito, cargador. Cap ng cargador at saka bumili ako ng cap din sa Uniqlo. Ito lahat galing to Uniqlo except ito. Binili ko to sa isang parang store na store na specializes in all different kinds of hats or all sorts of hats. Yun yung binibenta nila. Pinagtatawanan nila ako dati kasi bumili ako ng ganito. Tawa lang sila ng tawa, guys. Hayaan nyo lang, guys. Basta you feel good, you feel good. Suotin nyo lang. Tapos ito. Bumili ako nito kasi umulan nung one time, di ba? Umulan sa may Asaksa. Tapos bumili tayo ng hat. Kasi para maprotektahan yung ulo natin. Tapos ito lang yung haul ko. Di ko alam magkano lahat na gastos ko. Alam ko, feeling ko nasa ano to. Siguro nasa ano to lahat, mga nasa less than $300 to for sure. Feeling ko lang. Next natin tingnan yung ano, yung skincare. Buksan natin yung skincare ngayon. Basta ito. Kasi alam ko $30 tong hat eh. Mga nasa 26 to. Pero ewan ko, feeling ko nasa less than 300 talaga to lahat. Mura ata siya eh. Kasi feeling ko lang guys, mura. Sige, buksan na natin yung ano, yung nabili natin sa ano, sa Donkey. Fake news pala guys. Meron pa pala akong nabili na ano jacket sa Uniqlo ito. Yung parang ganito. Isa to sa una kong binili, 'di ba? Kasi nakulangan ako ng jacket na underestimate ko yung lamig. Joke lang pala yun guys. Marami pala akong nabili. Siguro lagpas to ng 300. Kwenta natin yan next time. Baka hindi na rin. Kaya ano nyo na lang, matahin nyo na lang. Yung t-shirt, yung t-shirt. 1,990 yung t-shirt. Yung mga pants, 2,990, 3,990. Ito, nasa 7,990 ata ito yung dalawa. Hindi ko na ano. Kasi ito, sale to, 2,990. Basta yun na yun. Hindi ko alam magkano to lahat. Ewan ko kung meron pa ba ako dito. Feeling ko meron pa. Ay, meron pa pala guys. Joke. Fake news. Marami pala ako nabili guys. Ito. Bumili pala ako ng 2 polo. Kasi sabi ko, kulang ako ng gagamitin ko pag magsisimba ako. Ito pala. Black na polo tsaka dark blue, di ba? Wala nang ibang kulay guys. Yun na. Alam niyo naman, blue tsaka dark blue. Alam na this. Ay, nga pala, meron pa pala guys. Bumili pa pala ako ng Heat Tech pala. 2 Heat Tech yun. Ay, nako, wala guys. Fake news. Dami ko pala nagastos talaga. Dami ko pala talaga nabili. May Heat Tech pa pala. Bumili pala tayo ng 2 Heat Tech. Dito, lagay natin dito. Heat Tech. Cha-chang! 2 dapat to, puti tsaka itim. Marami pala guys. Joke lang. Nasa $300 yung nagastos ko. Fake news. Napin ko nga yun. Nawala. Basta yun na yun guys. Ito yung nagastos ko sa Uniqlo. Cha-chang! Sige. Buksan na natin yung skincare. So yun guys. Naano ko na. Na-arrange ko na yung papamigay ko. I mean, actually, hindi. Yeah, papamigay ko and also like all the stuff, the haul natin. So ito yung Japan trip haul natin. Tada! Oh, hindi, yeah. That's my bed. Is that what it looks like? Oh, yeah. So I kind of arrange it in sections kung ano sila. So basically on this side, these are all mine. I think. Yes, it is. So mix na to. I think mix na to sa mga from the souvenir shops that I bought these from and also from Donkey. But I think 95% of these were from Donkey. Or 90%. So it's a tote bag or ano pa tawag din, eco bag na Kanagawa Wave yung design. I really love design. You can find this all over my apartment or my stuff. The famous ano yun, yung parang eye drops. Yung parang like it's like a menthol feeling but not really, but yeah, it's a really good eye drop. And ito yung famous furikake. Lagay mo to sa rice, sa chips or saan. You can actually only buy this sa Kansai area or I think Kyoto. I'm not sure if only, but I know you can also order this online. 2 lang binili ko. Medyo nagsisi ako. I should have bought like a couple more. Kasi just realized madali ko tumubos. Yeah, tingnan mo. Konti lang pala. I should have bought more. And then the vitamin C serum or moisturizer, I think. I'm not sure. And nakalagay men. Kasi si Kay, meron siya yung vitamin C lang. And nakita ko for men. I was like, oh, it's probably for men. And then pure retinol. I was like, this was very parang bestseller daw sabi. Hindi ko alam yung brand pero nakalagay lang pure retinol. And mura siya. I think it's like 10 bucks. Compared to retinol dito, mga $30 yung ganitong size. And I bought the moisturizer. Refill din. Bumili ako ng refill. So, mura to ng 100 yen yung refill compared nito. Bali, binayaran mo is like 100 yen for the bottle. And then, muscle tape. Kasi di ba na-injured ako. Nabili ko na din to. This is like pimple cream. Kasi nga, minsan, bira na ako nakaka-pimple. Pero like, minsan I have these like big pimples that I have to like, I don't pop it, but just put something on it. So, I think this is, I might have to try this. So I got the biggest one. Pero ito yung maraming version ng ganito, like different brands. But I got the cheapest one. Because I don't know if it'll work or something. Eye cream. Bumili din ako ng eye cream, same with Kay. Kasi, okay, so this is my haul. And this is, these are Kay's. I bought them for her. Actually, marami pa siyang pinapabili, pero hindi ko nahanap yung iba. And so I was like, oh wow, like, because at Donkey you could easily spend like 3 hours there, and then you probably haven't like gone through like half of it. Kasi pumunta like the donkeys that I've been in or been to, it's like dalawa is Mega Don Quixote, and I think they are the bigger version of donkeys. Parang SM Mega Mall compared to an SM City. But yeah, so these are K's, these are Cody's and Cindy's. Kasi nagpabili din sila. And ito, mga pasalubong ko na. Pamimigay ko kina Peewee, kina Da, kina Justin, and everyone sa Filipino friends ko, and then Bernice and Brianna and Steph and everyone. So I got these famous eye cream. Sabi ni Kay, maganda daw. So when I bought these two, I was like, oh, might as well get one for me. We'll see. Kasi alam nyo guys, ang lala ng eye bag action ko. Ang titignan nyo. Wait, how do I flip this camera? Yeah. Itong eye bags ko, inborn na to. Ewan ko kung inborn ba talaga rin. But as far as I can remember, andyan na yun sa mukha ko. And I got these muscle patches. Para siyang salon pass. Pero meron siyang anti-inflammatory as well. Tas cooling effect. Di ba, guys, medyo na-injured nga tayo, di ba? Nalala nyo yung pa ako. So, parang gumaling ako. And I got another set of these. Dalawa. Yung isa, nabuksan ko na. Tapos isa, ito. Yung parang haplas. Paano, ano ba yun? Parang oil or whatever. Sa Tagalog yun. And then, these ones are parang, paano ba to? I don't know if you can see the picture. So, para siyang ididikit mo sa mga collar or sa mga contact points ng mga damit mo or sa cap mo or sa hat mo. So that ito yung sasalo ng stain. I mean, ng sweat. I don't know what these are called. Pero, yeah, nabudol ako nito. I think nakwento ko to sa isang episode ng Japan vlog ko. But, yeah, sabi nung guy, I bought this when I bought yung Docker cap. Kasi sabi niya, oh yeah, you should put one of these para hindi ma-stain yung cap mo. Para ito yung malagyan ng sweat. So I was like, oh, how much? And then he was like, oh, only 1,000 yen. So bumili din ako. Nabudol ako. So I don't know if you can buy this in Amazon, but sabi niya only made in Japan. Nakalagay naman dito, made in Japan. So maybe I trust him. I don't know if I'll find it sa Amazon. I could probably find it in Amazon, but anyways, it's fine. Bumili ako ng sunscreen. This is the only sunscreen that I bought. I think. Yeah. Yeah, ito lang yung sunscreen na bili ko. Anyways. And then, that's all I have for myself. Maliban na lang sa Uniqlo haul ko yung na-discuss ko kanina. Nakwento ko kanina. And then, on to case, something oatmeal or rice mask. Ito. Very famous daw to sa Japan. Which is very, very famous. Anong tawag dito? Nung bumili ako nito, the lady, she actually pointed out na very famous to, but she said tinry niyang bumenta ng mas mahal pa. Sabi niya, oh, there's a better brand, better product na mas better nito, but she didn't say mas mahal, but it was like almost twice as mahal or more than 3 times mahal than this one. And then the eye mask, and then this one, Kay wanted like the famous lip cream or something, lip gloss or lip balm, para sa lips daw. And then something about the hair, hair mask or ano ba to? Nalimutan ko yung translation nito. Sikat din to. Lahat sa TikTok to niya nakuha. And then she wanted these two, vitamin C. Sikat din to. But she had these, she already had tried these. And hindi ko nabili yung iba. And also Cindy wanted one too. So bumili din siya. Or she wanted one too. So I bought one. And then she asked for an Uji matcha. So I got this from Uji Kyoto. So medyo mahal nga siya. This one's kind of mahal. I think for this tiny thing was like $30 to $40. So it is quite expensive. Tas 40 grams lang siya. So usually around those prices, yung medyo kung hindi masyadong mamahaling Uji, hindi masyadong mamahaling matcha, $30 would already give you like 100 grams. Pero this one, ito parang, this shop, Nishimura, this brand, they've been in business since, see that, 1922. So, 100 something years. And bibigyan ko din si Cody ng eye drops kasi mahilig siya mag eye drops. And then, ito yung mga request nila na sunscreen. So, dalawa lang yung binili ko. I don't know if that's enough, but yeah, should be fine. Tapos ito yung mga famous na KitKat. Na medyo mahal nga siya. I think it's like $9 or 1,400 yen per box. So ihati-hatiin ko na lang. Nilagyan ko na nga ng nilagyan ko ng anong tawag dito? Marka. I think, so I'm gonna give one to Peewee and them and Baste and then Justin, sa mga Filipino friends ko. Tapos dito naman, this one, akin pala to. Chicken skin. So I saw this in Donkey. So these are probably just gonna be mine. So rest in peace, my cholesterol. And like all sorts of matcha flavor. Pamimigay ko na lang kinala Bernice tsaka everyone. And ito yung sabi ni Baste na masarap daw. And parang nakwento lang niya, it's weird. Para siyang, so I haven't tried this, so don't put me on this one. But para siyang, sabi nga ni Baste, para siyang banana flavor, para siyang banana shaped pastry na may banana filling sa loob. So bananaception, I don't know. Pero yan, ito lang yung Japan haul ko. It's not much, but it's a lot. It's plenty enough for me. Or this is for me, and this the chicken skin, but those are for them. Sabi ko nga kay na definitely pag pupunta kami ng Japan, parang I think I don't make a lot of promises, pero I will definitely make that promise for myself and for her. We will go to Japan together next time. And yeah, she can buy everything to her heart's content. Siguro mag-shopping kami dun. Or she will shop there. Kasi dami ko na nabili din. I'm probably gonna buy some stuff too, for sure. Yeah, and yeah, that's all I have. Share ko lang sa inyo. And I don't know what else I bought, but di ba yung iba bibili ng shoes, bibili ng tas every time I try to buy something over there na parang do I really need nga meron pa pala akong mga keychain, mga so I got this paper theater. So paper theater, nabili ko to for myself. So same siya. So I don't know if you're familiar with paper theater, but kailangan mo pa siya assemble. Same siya ng design ng ganito ni Luffy, yung wanted poster niya. So it's kind of sad kasi yan talaga yung pinaka top ko na to buy like different kinds of Luffy posters. Because one of my dream vision is when I have a house, I will have like a wall of it, like a wall of his like wanted posters with different bounties and stuff. Kung nanonood kayo ng Luffy, Luffy, One Piece. Pero unfortunately, ano na pala siya, parang extinct na yung ibang bounties niya. And all they have was the latest one. Yung parang yung same one na binili ko nung last time pumunta ko ng Japan. Bumili na ako ng chopsticks na One Piece. Kasi why not, di ba? Sabi ko din, isa din sa list ko, bibili ako ng chopsticks. Pero wala akong nagustuhan mga design. Gusto ko sana yung Kanagawa Wave na design na chopstick. Wala akong nabili. Bumili din ako ng keychain. Isa to na sa list ko. Mga Kid Luffy na keychain. Gusto ko yung flat, hindi yung malalaking keychain. And dami kong Luffy. Bumili din ako ng magnet na Luffy. Kasi plano kong, sabi ko gusto kong bumili ng One Piece na magnet. Hindi na ako bumili ng magnet na Japan kasi meron na ako. Probably next time. Next time bili tayo ng bago. Kasi may kasi there are other good designs then dun. Kasi gusto ko if I buy a magnet, I want it to be like a good design. Ano pa ba? Oh yeah. So I actually bought keychain din na Luffy. Let me find it. 35 minutes. Nakikita niyo na pa niyo po. Ito. It's so cute. Ito. This was when he was younger. So dito sa mini bag ko. A mini Luffy for my mini Borealis bag. Pero yun lang, I think yun lang yung nabili ko so far. And nga pala, ito pa pala, meron pa. This one is the lotion, same one as the other one, yung toner refill. So yeah, I was having breakouts, eczema breakouts dun kasi nga ang sobrang dry ng air dun, and that really helped kasi kasi I expected na may lotion na sa mga hostel or sa mga hotel na stayan ko, wala pala. So it depends, guys. Kasi last time when I went, yung hostel ko kompleto lahat. They had everything, gel, deodorant, lotions, and everything. All Japanese brands. Ang gaganda. Even facial moisturizers and everything. And this time around, wala. And so I was like so shocked. So I had to like buy some and use Google Translate a lot. And yun lang, guys. And I will update you. Bye. Ayan, guys, we are now in our second part of the Thanksgiving episode natin. And today is Thanksgiving. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings. And thank you then, guys, for following me sa mga adventures natin, mga simple life events natin, or the big events. So yeah, so I don't know if I mentioned last time na I'll spend Thanksgiving either sa dad ko or kina Tyler sa bahay niya. My dad is in San Antonio right now, so at my brother's apartment. So since mas malapit, doon tayo sa mas malapit, mas convenient. Anyway, so doon tayo. San Antonio is only an hour away from Austin. I think an hour and a half from my brother's apartment. So magdadrive tayo doon, and then sumamaya, once we arrive there, tas dinner, uwi na ako. But on the way, we're gonna stop by Canada kasi she's hosting Thanksgiving then sa mga Filipino friends ko dun sa may Kyle. Kyle. I think she lives in Cal or Buda. Anyway, so yun yung plan natin, guys. And may mga pasulubong tayo, so dali natin. And I brought duck for my dad. And yun. And also, nakakatawa. I don't think it's nakakatawa, but so, di ba, my outfit check tayo palagi. And here's my outfit for today. Guys, don't judge me. Nag-laundry. Same outfit since our Friendsgiving. From Japan. Yung sa Uniqlo pants, Uniqlo jacket, and then, straightforward shirt. I got this from the Philippines, and guys, I can't recommend enough straightforward. Na-mention ko din ito sa former videos ko. Straightforward, support Filipino brands. Ang ganda. And yeah, tama na sat-sat. Drive na tayo. Para hindi na tayo maiwan or ma-traffic. I don't know if it's traffic or not, but I don't think it's traffic. Pero yeah, kita-kits dun, and I'll see you guys dun sa kinatad. And hindi ako mag-video while driving. Kasi it's scary. Mabilis ito sa America. Okay? Ano madaling ko? Sapatos. Sapatos. I don't know what shoes to wear. Yung comfortable na lang ni siguro, no? Sige na, I'll decide. But yeah guys, kita-kits din. Ciao. Coffee. And guys, dito na ako sa I'm here in San Antonio. Na ako sa apartment ng ng brother ko. My dad made latik. Ito. Ay, unsa ni di? Kani, unsa man ni? Ay, ubi kalamay. Ubi kalamay pala. Ubi kalamay, tas may biko sa oven. Tapos, humba guys, humba with mushroom. Ay, shiitake mushroom. I think it's too early, pero yeah, chill lang muna tayo. And then our dogs are here. Si Blackjack, ito. And then this is Sophie. And Dad's over here. Hi, Day. Must be something. What are you doing? That's terrible. I'm just gonna try the biko. That's too many coins. Ngano man tanaw ra kay na? Ano pa ko tanaw kag travel vloggers?
Ganahan pa rin ka mag-experiment sila.
Unya, ang ilang kita sa YouTube, mo fun ra sa ilang paggambol. Binuang.
So, gamay pa niya sila subscriber?
Isa ni di Huwag niyong gayahin niya guys. Joke lang. Wala pang food. Ano pa? Mamaya pa. Kukunin pa namin yung Jollibee. Cheers. Ako na pag may coffee. Hindi ko na ito ubusin guys kasi may kainin pa tayo. Coffee na lang wala. Pagod ako, pilang ko tatay ako. Minom kasi ako ng kahapon. Ay, poop tea. Chill na lang muna.
She loves her selfie. Hey, it's me. You're very dry.
Pero yan, how do I yun. No. So, dito sa US, meron parang holiday na they call Thanksgiving. So this is probably my 10th Thanksgiving na na-celebrate ko kasi I came here sa US. I came here 2015. Nanood ako ng movie by Donnie Yen. So action movie siya. Tingnan natin. Lolo, my test. Anyway, so parang 10th year ko na to mag-celebrate. And I don't know. Trying to recall my first time. Medyo na-weirded out lang ako. Na-weirded out ako kasi Americans take 2 days off para mag-celebrate sila ng Thanksgiving. It's usually Thursday. And then pagka Friday is the day after Thanksgiving. And then yan yung Black Friday. Parang shopping event or yung ganun. Pero medyo na-weirded out ako kasi nga like we'll have a time parang ginawa na holiday to thank. Just being thankful, feeling grateful, being thankful sa they're grateful, right? So yun, parang kasi sa Pilipinas wala naman to, di ba? And ito din na-notice ko sa America. I think they have like at least 14 national holidays, federal holidays, 14 or 11. Pero it's all spread out. And like Christmas nila dito, they only celebrate a day of Christmas. And New Year's isa. It's not like sa Pinas na, correct me if I'm wrong, no? So it's usually parang 2 weeks. 2 weeks na walang pasok. Parang 1 week walang pasok. Pag undas. Dito, like I don't think celebrate undas. They don't celebrate undas. Or All Souls Day. They don't celebrate Lenten season. They practice Lenten season pero hindi katulad ng sa Pinas na like walang pasok yung whole week ng Holy Week. Alam mo yun? So iba-iba talaga yung parang parang customs dito sa US. So hindi katulad sa atin na grabe kung holidays talaga. Also pag may away sa Pacquiao, parang ganun, bihira lang talaga. Grabe yung working culture dito sa Amerika. Feeling ko, kasi this is my job, like, I'm a therapist, pero my job, ako, employee well-being or corporate well-being na industry. So meron ako nalaman recently na almost 25%, hindi kalimutan ko lang yung parang actual number, pero almost 25% ng people, ng employees hindi nakapag-PTO or hindi nakapag-leave in the last year. Parang hindi nila nagamit yung leave nila in the last year. But I know one of the reasons then, the way the markets are or the industry is right now. So parang ayaw nilang maging excuse yun. Which is sad, di ba? Kasi di ba dapat we are allowed to take our PTOs or like our leaves, di ba? Ayaw maging excuse yun or reason for them to be laid off. Kasi nga, PTO siya ng 30 days, parang gano'n. Which is, I think it's illegal, di ba? Kasi in-earn mo yun, or you earned it, right? But yeah, and then going back sa topic sa Thanksgiving. Let me look. Tingnan natin guys, hindi ko ba talaga tinignan yung Thanksgiving na holiday. So ito, Thanksgiving is celebrated to give thanks for the harvest and other blessings, with origins tied to a 1621 feast between the Pilgrims and the Wampanoag Native Americans. Today is a secular and religious holiday in the US and Canada that symbolizes gratitude for family, friends, and national prosperity, though some Native Americans view it as a day of mourning for the harm caused by colonization. Okay, so ginawang national holiday during Abraham Lincoln's time, 1863, around 1863, to help unify the nation during the Civil War era, setting a precedent for the holiday to be celebrated annually. So yun, nangyayari parang ito yung parang main celebration ng mga Americans, yung main holiday sa atin, di ba, sa Pilipinas, Christmas. As in, we celebrate like 2 weeks of Christmas or parang 1 week, parang grabe talaga, like the whole Christmas decorations na lumalabas, so yung mga Christmas lights na kung saan saang lugar, and some people even put up Christmas trees year round, di ba? But yeah, Christmas is a big thing for us because again, I think we're we're a Catholic country or a Christian country. So parang dun si Jesus parang river, parang sinasamba. We praise Jesus, parang ganun in that way. Pero dito sa Amerika, it's so diverse na parang description ko parang sobrang muted ng Christianity. Even though we're a Christian nation, maraming Christians dito. But we're very diverse. Maraming mga religion dito, maraming nagpa-practice ng iba't ibang religion, different types of Christianity, parang ganun. Parang naging muted yung celebration. Parang mas maraming mga holidays dito, different kinds as opposed to sa atin na mainly around our national holidays are mainly around Christianity or Catholicism. Kunwari, like Lenten season or Christmas time. Dito naman yung parang sineselebrate nila big time is Thanksgiving. And yeah, Thanksgiving holiday. Now, it's usually around the last Thursday of November, and time it's in so dalawang days yun na off. So Thursday and Friday. So just so happened it's today. That's ba? Yeah. So yun yung parang experience ko. Parang weird din sa akin that time nung first year ko dito sa Amerika. And like, daming pagkain, like, you know, hindi ako sanay kasi I've never actually celebrated Thanksgiving sa Pinas. Nasanay tayo na, diba? Tas dito naman, walang undas. So, hindi tayo pumupunta sa, diba po sa atin usually pag undas, walang pasok or walang trabaho. Like, we usually go to cemeteries and all para mag-celebrate, diba? So, it is the day for us to remember our dead loved ones. Pero parang wala dito sa US. Yun lang guys. Tapos yun, ito yung trabaho ko ngayon. I'm just drying out the stuff when I see like feeling ko yung positives naman is like there's actually a very very day, actually a day for you to actually pay attention to the things that you are grateful for, which is good. I like it. Kasi nga sa amin sa therapy din or sa mental health, like sabi ko nga synonymous yung parang negative feelings or feelings of depression, parang ganun, and anxiety with the feelings of being ungrateful. So you have a day dedicated to be grateful for something. Look at the things na parang you're grateful for. It actually benefits you. And I hope na parang ewan ko kung napapractice ba ito sa Pilipinas. I really do hope so na napapractice din. Pero I wouldn't know what day would that be. So hey guys, what do you guys think? Should Pinas practice Thanksgiving? Hindi, practice na ba ang Pilipinas of Thanksgiving? Wala. So, wala yung practice. Hindi sila di ba kaya naman doon kaya ga-adapt sila ng mga holidays sa Amerika, like Halloween ka na. Okay. Okay. So maybe the Philippines should start one. I don't know which day would it be. Probably the EDSA Revolution Day. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tapusin ko muna to guys. Nathan and Tita Laila are getting Jollibee. They're picking up food. So I'm excited for that one.
First nakaluto akong ba?
Yan eh?
First time ko nakuluto.
Yan spread guys. Like the duck yung in-order ko kanina. It's humba. It's a Bisaya dish, di ba? Humba is a Bisaya dish. There's palabok, you have spaghetti, fried chicken, biko, and then calamay, na peach mango pie, and the Tokyo banana. Yung binili natin sa Japan. Pero apat lang kami guys. Ito lang. So, thankful tayo sa food. Ano sa may? Toyo rin suka? Wala ko pinakurat mong good sa mo 99. Nag-check ko. Palit man ako gahapon mong good. So yun guys. This is spread. Gutom. Wow. Excited na ako kumain. Alright guys, time to eat.
Just every single one.
Let's eat.
Just basta dako. Nay rice wala.
Nay rice? Adobo rice. White rice.
Nay dako nga serving spoon eh.
Eh?
Ay,
Pero kanina. Ato ni ko ng real estate.
Ha?
Alright guys.
I just know that she's engaged. Mas dali kasi yung
Ano siya man? Watch me sa ano? Parade. Suway daw isa, Dave. Suway daw isa. Ako ganit eh.
So, tumata na si Tart.
Ngunit. Magawan. Okay, butang na.
O, parang nisip ka ng kuan. Kato itong ikaw si Tart ba kagahapon ngayon kag... Magtunga mo? Aha.
Ano sa'y lasa? Banana.
Nay, banana o... Umbot ko sarang parang vanilla sa sulod? Is it vanilla?
It's a pudding inside.
Banana ang lasa?
Pudding. Yeah.
Banana.
Bantog de, anak ko akong friend na it's a dumb concept pero it works.
So, kani?
Oh. Nanghimo silang banana na pastry niya. Gihimo ang sulod kay banana niya. Anong dili na lang banana yung paliton?
So, you shape banana?
Ha? Oh, shape banana pa yun, di ba?
Oh, I see. Oh, never mind. I get what you were saying.
Okay,
Balik
Palit of real banana, oh.
Where's that?
Cheers. First cheers.
Malt, Malaysiano?
First inuman session. Ano to eh? Ah.
Yun guys. Naka-beach na tayo. Bring home baby. So, equivalent sa ano natin. Isang duck. Nag-multiply yung ano natin. Yung blessings. Yan yung maganda sa ano. Sa Filipino party. Kasi pag may ano ka, may ambag ka, siguradong mamumultiply yan. Ambag mong isang putahe, magiging 5. Dami na, may fried chicken, may spaghetti. Ay, may spaghetti ba? Ah, wala akong kinuha spaghetti. Meron pa akong ano, palabok, humba. Dami. Yan. Nagano sila. They're walking the dogs. There. Pinapaano nila. Wanting to go. Ay, nako. Excuse me. Ay, busugan ako eh. Oh my God. Mapit pa ko ilang kuan, piwi. Oh. Along the way. La, ihian na niya si Sophie. Oh. Yan si Blackjack. Oh. Eh, oh, plastic? Eh. Uy, masunod gid si mo di oh. Sunod kasi mo amo. Sophie. Sophie. Sunod gid si mo di. Wala, masunod sa kay daddy. Ala, napoop na si Blackjack. Sophie's about to poop. Para gini sa dogs ang ilang color? Para mo glow? Sophie, go poop.
Papa, malibang?
Napa siya na poop, guys.
Ayaw pagtunog.
Sophie, go poop. Yan guys. Tayo na siya hopefully. Nauna si Blackjack. Poop na. So guys, poop na siya guys. In content ba? Tara di oh. Yep. So, dapat can you undo the ano? Iyang kon? Tara. Mga guys, kung dog owners mo guys, dapat you'll pick up after your ano, your dogs. That has to be it. Kasi ano, kailangan huwag kayong gumaya sa mga ano, may mga owners na hindi nila pinipick up, tas kayo makakaapak ng tae, di ba? Kahit wala kayong aso guys, pick up after your poop guys. Di ba? Di rin mo? Alay ni.
Kamalo ni sila asa. Makanti di rin. Ay, wait. Makanti dito. Asa man ang quad?
Layo tayo mo na park?
Di man to disabled, no?
Dili.
Pahira tong test na dito, Nick.
So yan guys, pupunta na naman tayo kina It's an hour drive away. Tignan natin. Abot pa tayo. Sabi nila abot pa daw eh. So, see? Samahan niyo ako sa pag-live. Or hindi. Sana hindi ako makatulog. Shit. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi, salamat. Nakauwi na tayo. Nakapag-shower na din. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-vlog dun sa nung pumunta ako kinatda. Kasi, nung dumating na ako, medyo late na. So, mga nasa 10:50 na, 10:40. Tapos, papauwi na yung people. Tapos, may pa sila, lakad pa sila pagkabukas. And, so, hindi na ako, binigay ko na lang yung, nag-picture lang, nasali lang ako para buo yung last picture. Tapos, binigay ko na lang yung pasalubong para, wala na, makiklear na yung counter space ko sana. And, yun, tapos, ang dami, naka-BH pa ako. Salamat, Dai. So dami nating pagkain. Medyo naano ako kasi parang may pa ako, may meal prep. Wala pa akong meal prep. Pero yun. So, tas nagkwentuhan lang kami saglit nila Piwi. Tas yun lang guys. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero, yun, sana, so next time naman. So yun, hanggang dito na lang yung episode natin, Thanksgiving episode. So guys, anong lagay niyo sa comment section, what are you guys grateful for? Kasi grateful ako sa buhay ko, sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa loved ones ko. Kasi yan, dyan sila kahit hindi perfect yung life ko. Pero parang nakokontento ako. And I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and salamat din sa pagpanood ng episode na to, tsaka sa mga vlogs ko. And yeah, kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, subscribe kayo naman. Char. Sige na, ingat kayo guys. So take care and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye. Good night.